Kenton, and this is Kenton Knows. In this video, I'm going to explain the process I go through to effectively screen prospects before I even set up a live tour of the rental. I really try to use my time efficiently, and I absolutely hate doing a showing only to have the prospect say something like, "Oh, you don't accept dogs?" or "I really thought the backyard was bigger," or any similar question to that, which essentially means you both wasted your time with the showing you just did. Over the years, I've learned a few tricks to reduce, if not eliminate, those things from happening to me, and I'm going to share that with you in this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, leave me a comment, and consider subscribing to my channel. I have several videos where I explain where I list my rentals for free and the actual script I use during my showings, so I won't be going very deep into either of those during this video, as I have covered them pretty well in those videos, which I'll provide links to in the description as well as within this video. Efficiently screening tenants starts with creating a listing to get a potential prospect interested in your rental, and that listing should be as detailed as possible, which includes lots of photos. You really need to include as much detail as possible so the prospects that reach out are more fully informed about the property. You really don't want everyone to request a showing. You want the prospects to self-select, meaning you only want the prospects who are genuinely interested in your property to reach out. So I'm going to explain how we get those prospects to self-select. As for timing, I connect with my current tenants 3 months prior to lease expiration to see if they intend to renew, and then if they do not, I list the property 2 months prior to lease expiration. This gives me plenty of time to find a prospective tenant, and as an anecdotal side note, I have found that the prospects who are looking 2 months ahead of move-in are usually better tenants. They are more responsible, better at communicating, and plan ahead. The tenants that sign a lease the last week or so before moving in are likely desperate or seem to be a little more disorganized, unresponsive procrastinators. Of course, this is a generalization, but years of personal experience continue to support this generalization. I have heard that some people or companies require a deposit or small fee to set up a showing and ensure the prospect shows up, but I've never felt good about doing that, so I haven't gone there. Instead, my first response to the prospect's inquiry is a detailed email or text about the unit. I create a draft response for each unit ahead of time so I can simply cut and paste it each time I get an inquiry. The response usually goes something like this. "Thank you for your inquiry about 1234 Main Street. There's a 3-bedroom, 1-bath non-smoking rental available for June 1st move-in. The kitchen includes a stainless steel refrigerator, microwave, oven, and dishwasher, along with granite countertops and hardwood floors throughout. The rental has central heat and central air. Tenant is responsible for gas, electric, internet, and cable. Landlord pays for water, sewer, and garbage. Cats are allowed with a pet fee, but dogs are not allowed. No security deposit is required, but there is an $800 move-in fee. This will be a 1-year lease, and the minimum credit score is 700, or you'll need a cosigner with a 700 or better credit score. The application fee is $50 per person. If this is all acceptable to you, please watch the attached video tour before scheduling a showing for this apartment." I then include a link to a video tour, which starts in the street at the front of the property, pans both ways down the street, and then I walk towards the front door. I walk through the entire space, including common areas, and then out the back of the property while explaining anything relevant about the property in the video. When they reach out to schedule a showing after that text, I will first confirm they've watched the video. This process reduces my showings dramatically, but it really increases the likelihood that the showings I do schedule will result in a qualified application. In the end, this saves me significant time by only scheduling showings with prospects that are really interested, and it also reduces the disruptions to my existing tenants who really do appreciate it. The videos do take a little more work, but if you're renting out the spaces every year, you can reuse the same video multiple times. I do prefer to record the videos when the apartment is vacant, but since that doesn't always work out, I obviously have some videos with tenants' belongings in them. Feel free to watch any of my rental videos as an example, as I have posted them all on my YouTube channel. I know my editing skills are not the best, but they definitely get the job done. I actually started doing these videos during COVID, and it resulted in such a time saver that I have not only continued doing it, but I don't want to ever go back to just photos and doing tons of unqualified showings again. I firmly believe this is hands down a significantly more efficient way to screen potential rental prospects before setting up a live in-person showing. If you have any thoughts or opinions on this topic, please leave them in the comments. If you like this video, please hit the like button and consider subscribing. If you found this video useful, please like and share it with someone else who you think might enjoy seeing it. Thank you for watching Kenton Knows, and I wish you the best of luck with all of your real estate investments.